So friends, Sony Pulse Explore earbuds launch in market soon. Last August, Sony introduced a new lineup of hardware which includes the Pulse Explore earbuds and Pulse Elite headphones, especially designed for PlayStation 5. During the entire announcement, Sony shared details about the design and essential feature of those audio designs. So let's talk about this earbuds features, specifications, price, and when this earbuds launch in market. So let's talk about. So first of all, here you see this earbuds recently on spot online spot, and some features also reveal. And talking about features, so this earbuds is premium earbuds, and feature is very fantastic in this earbuds. And talking about Bluetooth connectivity, so in this earbuds Bluetooth connectivity is a Bluetooth 5.3, and connectivity is very nice. And these earbuds launch in market white and black, and here you see this earbuds look. And talking about other features, so this earbuds designed for PlayStation, and price is $199. And this earbuds first of all launch in Europe and US, and some other countries. Okay. And talking about price, so I talk about price. So how you like how you think this earbuds price, features, please do any comments. And and if you like this video, then like this video. And if you new in this channel, so subscribe this channel. And thank you for watching this video. And talking about when this earbuds launch, so launch date is not revealed at this time. And I think this earbuds launch in European countries, and more other countries in 2 3 months. Okay. So let's wait when this earbuds launch. And thank you for watching this video.